Airport security is about to catch more travelers off guard than ever before. In 2026, the rules aren't just changing, they're being enforced harder, faster, and with smarter technology. Items you've packed for years without a problem could be taken without warning. Your charger, your toiletries, even your snacks. And here's the part that catches people. No warnings, no second chances, just a bin and your item is gone. Here are 21 things security will confiscate in 2026, including several that surprise even frequent travelers. Item 1. High-capacity power banks. The critical number is 100 watt-hours. Exceed that without airline approval and your power bank isn't coming with you. Most travelers don't even know their device's watt-hour rating. Many chargers only show milliamp hours. If the rating isn't clearly labeled, agents won't stop to calculate. They'll remove it. Some airlines allow up to 160 watt-hours with prior approval. Anything beyond that is prohibited in carry-on and checked baggage. Flip your charger over before you travel. If the label is missing, faded, or too high, don't risk it. Item 2. Unlabeled lithium batteries. If your spare battery doesn't clearly show its watt-hour or milliamp-hour rating, it's already at risk. Agents check the label first. No visible specs means non-compliant, regardless of whether it's for your camera, drone, or anything else. Older batteries fade over time. Third-party replacements often never had proper labeling. The result is the same: confiscation. Inspect every battery before your trip. If the specs aren't readable, replace it. Item 3. Spare batteries in checked bags. Loose lithium batteries are not allowed in checked luggage, period. They're a fire risk in the cargo hold, and scanners are specifically trained to flag them. You may not even know they're gone until you reach your destination. The rule: spare batteries go in your carry-on, protected, original packaging, battery case, or terminals taped. Loose and unprotected anywhere is a red flag. In checked baggage, it's an automatic violation. Item 4. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. If your suitcase has a permanently sealed lithium battery, airlines may ban it from both carry-on and checked baggage. If a battery overheats mid-flight, crews need access to it. A sealed case makes that impossible. At the airport, your choices become remove it on the spot or leave the bag behind. Check your smart luggage now. If the battery can't come out quickly and easily, it may not travel with you. Item 5. Damaged or swollen batteries. A bulging power bank or cracked phone battery isn't a minor issue anymore. It's an instant red flag. Visible swelling, leakage, corrosion, or exposed wiring means confiscation, no exceptions. It doesn't matter if the device still works. Damaged lithium batteries are unpredictable, and agents are trained to spot them. Before you travel, inspect every electronic. If something feels off, overheating, expanding, deteriorating, replace it. It doesn't fly. Item 6. Multi-port charging hubs. These aren't banned, but they cause delays. Advanced 3D scanners read charging hubs as dense clusters of circuits and wires. Unclear, layered, suspicious. Your bag gets pulled. An agent inspects manually. If the hub is tangled with cables or stacked next to other electronics, the image gets even harder to read. The fix: keep electronics organized and separated, because in 2026, it's not just what you carry, it's how it looks on screen. Item 7. Oversized toiletries. The 100 milliliter liquid rule is still catching travelers every single day. And here's the detail that surprises most people. It doesn't matter how much is left in the bottle. A nearly empty 200 milliliter container still exceeds the limit. Security reads the label, not the contents. Liquids, gels, and aerosols must be in travel-sized containers inside a clear, resealable bag. In 2026, agents are no longer giving the benefit of the doubt. Check every bottle before you leave. Item 8. Peanut butter and nut spreads. TSA classifies peanut butter, almond butter, and similar spreads as gels, which means they fall under the 100 milliliter rule. Thick, dense, spreadable foods don't image clearly on scanners, so security treats them cautiously. Exceed the limit and it gets confiscated. Travelers are consistently caught off guard by this one. It's food, they think, but it's security.
Texture matters more than intention. If it's spreadable, it's a liquid. Pack it in checked luggage or use travel-sized portions. Item 10. Soft cheese and cream-based dips. Cream cheese, brie, hummus, yogurt-based dips, all treated as liquids or gels at security. Their dense, moist texture flags on scanners. Your bag gets pulled, the item gets checked, and it usually gets removed. Many travelers assume solid food is allowed, but if it's creamy, spreadable, or semi-liquid, it's treated differently. Pack these in checked luggage or use travel-sized portions. Item 11. Full-size sunscreen. One of the most commonly confiscated items at the checkpoint. Sunscreen is classified as a liquid. Container over 100 milliliters, gone. Doesn't matter if it's half empty. Spray sunscreens face extra scrutiny as both liquids and pressurized aerosols. Transfer into travel-sized bottles or pack in checked luggage. Always place in a clear, resealable bag. In 2026, protecting your skin shouldn't cost you your time or your belongings. Item 11. Snow globes. Inside every snow globe is liquid, and if that liquid exceeds 100 milliliters, it cannot go in your carry-on. Even smaller ones can get pulled because scanners detect the dense liquid core. Larger ones are almost always confiscated. Pack snow globes in checked luggage, carefully wrapped. In 2026, even your souvenirs can be stopped at the checkpoint. Item 12. High-proof alcohol. Anything exceeding 70% alcohol by volume is completely prohibited on flights, no exceptions. Lower proof alcohol still follows the 100 milliliter carry-on rule. Advanced scanners now detect liquid composition, making it easy to identify alcohol content and volume. Pack alcohol in checked luggage within airline limits or buy it after security. If it's strong and oversized, it's staying behind. Item 13. Oversized carry-on bags. Airlines and airports are enforcing size limits harder than ever. If your bag doesn't fit the size or cleanly, no forcing, no squeezing, it gets flagged. Gate check fees, delays, stress. Even soft bags and backpacks are being measured more frequently. Measure your bag before you go. Don't guess, don't assume. In 2026, an oversized carry-on doesn't just inconvenience you, it costs you. Item 14. Tactical self-defense keychains. Kubatons, spiked keychains, mini defense tools, classified as prohibited weapons regardless of size. Legal in daily life doesn't mean legal at an airport. Scanners flag dense metal objects instantly, and these items are confiscated without debate. Leave them home or pack in checked luggage if permitted. Item 15. Pocket knives, even souvenirs. All knives are prohibited in carry-on bags in 2026. Decorative, antique, barely larger than a key, doesn't matter. If it has a blade, it's restricted. Travelers forget they packed one or assume it's too small to matter. Airport security doesn't measure intent. They enforce rules. If you want to keep it, check it. Item 16. Scissors over the length limit. Scissors are allowed in carry-on, but only if blades are under 4 inches from the pivot point, not from the tip to the handle, from the pivot point. Even small-looking scissors can fail this test. Agents measure, they don't guess. If you're unsure, pack them in checked luggage. In 2026, if you're over the limit, you're out. Item 17. Heavy metal water bottles. Completely empty, not almost empty, completely empty. Any liquid inside and it can be confiscated. Beyond that, heavy stainless steel bottles read as dense objects on advanced scanners, especially near electronics. That triggers secondary inspection. Empty it fully before security. Place it separately in the bin if needed. Even something this simple can cost you time if it's packed wrong. Item 18. Tools over 7 inches. Anything over 7 inches is prohibited in carry-on. Screwdrivers, winches, pliers, multi-tools. Security doesn't classify by intention, it classifies by potential risk. Agents measure end to end, and even compact tools can exceed the limit. Pack tools in checked luggage or leave them behind. Item 19. Fresh produce on arrival. Fruits, vegetables, herbs, even small amounts, strictly restricted or prohibited at international customs. One piece of fruit is enough to trigger inspection. Once flagged, it's removed. In some countries, fines apply. It's not about how much you're carrying, it's about what it could introduce. Don't travel internationally with fresh produce. Buy food after you arrive. Item 20. Prescription medications without labels. Loose pills, mixed medications, unlabeled containers all raise red flags. In 2026, security is paying closer attention to medications, especially on international flights. Controlled substances face even stricter scrutiny. Keep medications in original packaging with your name and dosage clearly labeled. Carry a copy of your prescription or a doctor's note. Proper documentation makes all the difference. Item 21. Counterfeit designer goods. Even one item, even for personal use, bringing fake designer products across borders is illegal in many countries. Customs officers are trained to spot inconsistencies in logos, stitching, and materials.